Alright guys, I'm back with another video today, and it's another setup video. It's a 2023 Transit Connect with couch potato mobile detailing, and we're on site. We just actually paired up and did a detail on two cars. So before we close out the day, I'm gonna check out his van real quick. So this is a 2023 Transit Connect, and
you got touchscreen, you got Apple CarPlay.
Yeah, guys, look at that touch screen. This van's brand new and nice interior.
And then you got all your chemicals, everything. You got a big ass water tank in here.
100-gallon water tank. Where did you get all the framework at?
I did it myself.
You did yourself, right?
Yeah.
So you saved some money on that, right?
Yeah, but it's better because then I get to do it how I want.
So he ended up getting a brand new van, but he kind of made his own setup and saved some money. But the cool thing is his setup's a 2023, so it's gonna be last quite a while. I wanted to show him a couple things on your setup, like.
So we got,
for starters. Oh yeah, what is that?
We got a cake sprayer.
Okay, and how you built that? Can you say a little?
Yeah, I built it. It's a sprayer made out of a cake, so then yeah.
So that'll actually hold beer.
Yeah.
But you converted it to hold what?
Wheel cleaner.
So that's wheel cleaner.
Yeah.
And how do you fill it up, and how does it get compressed and all that?
Oh, I have a special thing that I attach here, and then I add it to this thing. So
it's just compressed air with product.
Yes.
And we used it earlier, and
yeah,
freaking it works nice.
Yeah.
And he has a hose long enough where the keg just sits in one spot, and the hose is long enough to go around the whole vehicle. So it's literally super efficient.
Yeah, and we got towels, we got everything.
And he has some really cool lights. Anything about these lights? Do they help at night, or what do they?
They don't even work.
They're not working at the moment?
No, because I haven't even put them together.
Okay.
because you got to tell them that I had another van, but the other van got totaled, so then I upgraded to this one. I had the same exact van.
Okay, so they need to be installed.
Yeah.
I wanted to show him this real quick. So I was working with this nozzle earlier, and I was kind of impressed that it literally,
it's a rigid nozzle.
It literally like goes left or right while you're, and it's super flexible, so it makes it easy to clean. And what kind of nozzle is this?
It's a rigid.
So it's made by Rigid, and it has a flexible tip. Yeah, you can buy it at Home Depot. And can you say a little bit about this power cable? That's a crazy power cable coming out there.
Yeah, it's from your 240, whatever, your 30 amp.
And you built this, and you put a steel.
No, my friend built it for me.
Okay, and then now this is a 2-gang box, right? That's what that's called.
It's just
the power cable. So you got your power coming to here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a cool setup, man.
I kind of wanted that so that I have to plug it in, and then you just plug in right here. A lot easier.
All right.
And then also you got a big ass vacuum on this side. You got a table. Okay. We used the table earlier. How'd you like it?
Nice table. Where's the table made?
You can get it at Home Depot.
Yeah, we had that table set up, all of our towels and bottles.
Look, you even got a built-in vacuum right here
to sit on. And what is that? A vacuum aid?
No, it's just a central vac. Same thing. Vacuum aid, same thing. And then you got all your polishers up here. You got a custom polisher holder.
Okay. Giant tank, dude.
And then you got steamer, extractor, blower,
steamer. Yeah, dude. Cool setup.
Same steamer that you have.
So, would you get the Transit Connect again? Like, knowing what you know now about this, would you want to buy it again?
Yeah, because obviously I bought another one.
Oh, this is the second one.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other one got totaled.
For sure.
There's no difference.
So there you go, guys. If you are in the market for a Transit Connect, this might be a good option for you. I mean, are they still making them? Do they have 20?
No.
Okay, so this is the last year they made.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. You got the last year they made it.
Yeah.
So you guys want to?
But they're really hard to find. But you gotta do some price comparison. Okay. You don't want to get gouged.
For sure. How would they check the price comparison? What platforms? You know any ways to do it, or just do regular research?
Just make sure you're not paying more than 40.
More than 40. Well,
or 30. You want to find one at a good price. But this is but I bought a brand new with like maybe 18 miles.
18 miles. So if you guys still want a mini cargo van that's a Ford Transit Connect, the latest year you can get is a 2023, and this is the XLT, right?
Yeah.
What's that? What's the difference?
The XLT is a longer wheelbase.
Longer wheelbase.
And the XLT has a better trim.
Better trim. So you got
the Apple CarPlay, touchscreen, all that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man, and then where are you located?
Orange County.
Orange County, and
we literally probably live like less than 2 miles from each other.
For sure, and this is day one of us teaming up.
But the funny thing is that nobody knows is that we've been talking for like 6 months, and we send each other work, but we never even met each other.
For sure, yeah.
And I don't even know his style of working. I don't know. He doesn't know mine. He doesn't know anything. And the first day he's like, "Wow, you already know what you're doing."
That is funny. We barely met today, but we've known each other like 6 months, and he sent me a couple jobs already. And I hit him up today. We had two cars there. It's a Ford Rubicon. You guys can't see him. We parked him over there. But Rubicon and a Mirai. And we got it done in about 3 hours tops. And
that was just us not knowing our...
Us not hustling.
Yeah.
And setup time, breakup time. But 3 hours tops, $200 per vehicle. We made $400 in 3 hours, and we're going to just split it right down the middle.
Yeah.
And man, so Couch Potato Mobile Detailing, where can they find you?
Instagram,
just Couch Potato Mobile Detailing?
Yeah.
Yep, and here's the phone number right here.
Yeah.
You guys want to check it out?
Or you want to see the cool logo?
Detailing. And check out the trim, guys. Here's the 2023.
It don't look any different from a 19 to a 23.
It don't look any different. So there you go, he just said it. And then there's the 2018 Ram ProMaster City.
Yeah.
So anyways, guys, you might see a lot more content with me and Aaron because we're going to start working together essentially. But pretty much I'm moving towards more fair pricing. I was doing a lot of $300+ details, but now we're gonna start offering full details for around the $200 range, right? And
or not really consider a mini detail, but everything goes subject to condition.
Mm-hmm.
And you can go at those $85 to anywhere from $85 to $2,000.
there you go.
So don't be discouraged when people are not willing to pay. You gotta make sure that they still are your customer at any price range.
Right. And one thing that I found out, because Aaron, you work like 40 hours a week detailing, right?
Possibly more.
See, and honestly, I feel you don't really have a business. It's not a full-time business if you're not doing 40 hours a week or something. You
could do this business at 2 cars a day at $300 each, and you can still make $600 a day.
And that's about $10,000 a month.
Yeah.
And that's where I'm trying to go closer to. I'm trying to get closer to $10,000 bucks. But on my own, I was making around $5,000 a month, and that's basically was just, I guess, essentially kind of charging too much for the details, and I was getting zero recurring business. And I'm starting to realize that a business needs recurring business to survive. You need a lot, and that means pricing a little more fair so you can get repeat business. Do you have anything input on the repeat business part?
Just you gotta make sure you call them back and keep on asking them, because they don't want to do the work. Because if you don't ask them, they won't know. Yeah.
So is that one trick that keeps you busy all the time, because you're reaching out to your customers?
Yeah. Okay. You have to reach out to them because they get busy. They have their own lives, everything. Doesn't mean that they'll reach out when they want, but you gotta tell them, like, no, you gotta do your homework.
All right, so I'm gonna let him go now because he actually stood a little bit behind to do this because he has a detail right now, and he has to rush to the next one. I think he's gonna ask me to go with him, so we might go together.
Yeah.
So all right, so we're gonna do another car, and I will see you guys soon. All right, guys, so I wanted to make the video a little longer And we just got done doing that other car, and there's a detail shop next to it. So I went in and checked it out, and they are selling these little water filtration carts. And you can see they have all the filters installed on a cart that's basically mobile. And you can basically wheel that cart towards your van and hook up a hose, a garden hose, and get some RO water. These guys have a nice setup because they actually sell spotless water here. And we're over here in Huntington Beach, and this is the company that makes this system. And they also have another name as far as they go by on the shop location here, but it looks like there's another company that they have involved with the production of this custom water cart. So this one is a little bit bigger, heavy duty. There's a pump here. You have the filters right there. And I don't know too much about how this stuff works, guys, but if you need to get into it, I'm sure it's pretty easy to learn. And if you want to get into something like that, this is who could help you out if you're out here in Orange County. So this company actually deals with window washing, carpet cleaning. So there's all kinds of products for window washing and carpet cleaning, but they also have a section for detailing. And they repair machines also. So if you have a nice big machine you need to get repaired, they can repair them as well. But they have plenty of cleaning products. And they also have a section for mobile detailing, as well as a 24-hour fill-up station. So here is the mobile detailing. Looks like they partnered up with Ultra Clean. They're a great company, guys. They got affordable products, so you could easily operate your mobile detailing business using all Ultra Cleans. I suggest you guys give it a try. It's definitely a good product. So, hey man, can I ask you a question? So we have the core systems. What's it called?
Core water systems.
And then you guys are partnered with, or it's just another company, which is Great Western Sanitary?
That's us.
Okay, and then who's Core Systems?
Core Systems is the water cart manufacturer.
Okay, so you buy it from them and then you resell it here? Okay, cool. So there you go, guys. So Great Western Sanitary Supplies in Huntington Beach. And here's the smaller cart I was telling you guys about. So that's their big, and is this by Core Systems too?
That's a Tucker cart. And
Okay.
Our water fed poles you can hook up to anyone that system.
Okay. So if you guys don't know that this exists, these are mobile filtration systems, and Tucker makes one, Core Water System makes one. And this is the pump.
It's a booster pump.
What's that used for?
Just getting more water through your system.
Okay. So here's a booster pump, and that's to put more water in the system to make it, you know, filter more per minute, I guess. Wow, that's a heavy duty piece of equipment. How much would one of these go for?
They're about $2,000.
$2,000?
Yeah.
So he just gave me the price on this, and he's saying it's about $1,700.07 plus tax, and it goes for, you know, closer to $1,800 after taxes.
$1,839.32.
$1,839.32. That's a pretty cool setup, guys.
We also sell another companies. It's called Core Water Systems. We just don't have them in stock right now. We sold out, but they make carts that are similar. Both this RO DI and just a straight RO if you don't need the DI. And let me get you a price on those. You can
Okay.
actually go to
So you got
Core
two.
Water Systems website and take a look at them if you want.
We do have some more.
All right.
Yeah, we have to make another.
Core water
The
system.
only difference is capacity.
Oh, wait.
Their
Because I need
cart puts out about 19,000 gallons before you have to go through a filter change of the carbon and the DI resin.
Okay.
And the DI cart is 2769.30. Are you cleaning windows or are you washing cars?
Washing cars.
You probably want to go with just the RO system because of the corrosive nature of the DI water. So let me get you a price on just the DI part, or I'm sorry, the cart without the DI. Hold on.
Okay.
You want me to write that down? Wait, who's it for?
And that's the CWS 100,
Cents?
and that goes for $2,461.60. So it's a little bit cheaper because it doesn't have the DI filter on it.
Okay.
And that's, I think, the one you probably want to go with. I think. What was the cart on the? What was the core?
CWS 100.
It was the 100 was on that cart back there.
So yeah, that one. Okay.
Yeah, we even do
So-
a Cranslow cart where it has, but it's DI. We
Okay.
made this thing and the Cranslow bolts to the bottom of the back of it.
Where's that at?
We just sold our last Cranslow. I gotta order more. But this is a CR. It's like a CR spotless on steroids.
Okay.
So you put the Cranslow right here. Hooks all right
That's
here.
sweet.
Yeah, and your foam cannon fits perfect in here. So it's just a quick little. This is just like a guy wants to just do a quick detail or whatever, you know. Obviously, we don't recommend DI really if you're doing the same car all the time.
Yeah. Recommend more RO.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
All right.
Because DI is actually erosive. When
Okay.
it gets down to 0 parts per million, DI, so it actually will pull minerals out of soft metals, waxes, all that.
Oh, you're okay. Oh, this is one of the reasons I came over here, guys, because look at this cart. So you guys seen H2O's cart in one of my last videos, and look at the big heavy-duty wheels on this cart and the giant tank. Their cart has a 45-gallon tank. What does this cart have?
100 gallon.
100-gallon tank. So
And the cart's rated for 2,400 psi or 2,400 pounds.
yeah.
So we always go half the weight of the rated part for the cart.
And like he has a Crenzel on it, and there's an RO system in there.
Yeah, and it's set up to take a 5,000 watt generator. So it straps in right. So this comes off, and where you'll see the strap hooks.
For your generator right in here.
Yeah. Yep.
Wow, that has all-in-one. It's an all-in-one setup. There's a water filtration, there's generator, there's a Crenzel, there's a water line hose reel. Yeah. I'm gonna have to come back because he's gonna build some more, and then we'll see one that's not wrapped up because they're gonna ship this one out. So I kind of came too late to see it.
Going to a Porsche dealer.
Porsche dealer, and I overheard you were saying that it's they want this to clean a charging station, or
No, they're doing the front lot, so they do 80 cars a day.
Oh, so this is to clean their fleets,
Yeah.
their sales fleet. I also forgot to mention that this company specializes in marine cleaning. Join the Deckhand family, and they're on Instagram at Deckhand Supply HB. There's their logo up top, and here's the address: 7411 Earl Circle, Huntington Beach. There's the phone number. Great Western Sanitary Supplies. So got 24-hour spotless water, 10 cents a gallon. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, give this video a like and give the channel a subscribe. Check out some of the other videos we just did. We put out a new video that's called a van show with over 30 mobile detailing setups. That video is doing real good right now. And I have a couple more videos planned for you guys in the next couple weeks. And I will see you on the next one.